Namaste, Dr. Charu at Yogaheals. Thank you. Today we are going to start a new topic. Chair yoga. So what is chair yoga? Chair yoga was originally started for people who could not sit down on the mat due to problems with their knee joints, arthritis or other issues. Also for elderly people because of joint problems. But chair yoga is actually quite beneficial, not just for people with joint problems, but also for people with normal joints, but in some other situations. For example, you do not have a mat, not enough of a reason to not do yoga, always got a chair. Chair. So, yeah, so when you are in your office or even at home, sitting at your desk and you want to take a break from your work, well, why not practice 1, 2, 3 yoga asanas? So most or a lot of yoga asanas can be performed while seated in a chair with some modification, and we'll slowly cover some of them. So try to adopt this habit, sitting in your office, take a break and perform. And today we are going to just learn two of these asanas or poses. Cat and cow stretch, which we have covered, the normal one on the mat, and today we do the variation on the chair, and the eagle hands pose while seated on a chair. So let's see how to practice. You can use any chair, no excuse. So we'll go and sit on the chair comfortably, but preferably not leaning back. The spine is erect. The feet are in contact with the ground. The hands are by the sides. So we'll practice cat and cow, which is a great warm-up stretch for the spine, helps to release the compressions and improve the blood flow. So hands on the knees, spine is straight. And while exhaling, I'll round my back and take my chin to my chest. Inhaling, I'll stretch the spine, pull the shoulders behind. My feet are with the earth. Exhale. Inhale. Practice this a few times, at least 10 to 15 times, and slowly keep increasing. Exhale, inhale. And that's about it. Cat and cow between your work for a healthy spine, better digestion, better respiration. Now, we practice eagle hands. So, the feet are on the floor. Take your hands up slowly by bending the elbows and take the right palm on the left by putting the elbows one into the other. Slowly release, and then the other side. It's alright if it doesn't come all the way through. As soon as you are consistent and getting better slowly every day. It's important to build a habit. Eagle is great for stretching of the arms, the elbows, and improves any injuries which sometimes happen during sports in the elbows. So, if you have any questions, I'm very happy to answer. Thank you.